to another video of Python Boys. In this video I am going to tell you how to make a screenshot taker in Python. So let's get started. So in this video I have used the PyCharm community software. I'll give you the link in the description. So let's get started with the video. First we need to download some libraries in PyCharm. So if you have already downloaded, then you just need to go to terminal section of the PyCharm and type install GUI. So if you have not downloaded, so you have to install this and it will show downloading, but I have already downloaded, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. So if you are downloaded, then it will show like this. If you are not downloaded, then it will download and finish installation by itself. So first we need to start with the import statements. So first we'll import the newly downloaded PyAutoGUI library. Then we have to import tkinter library as tk. Then we have to import one function from the tkinter library, file dialog library from the tkinter library. So we are done with the import statement. So first PyAutoGUI, then tkinter as tk, and then file dialog library. So it will import the PyAutoGUI functions, tkinter functions as tk. So we don't need to mention tkinter every time. So first we'll make we'll make some variables. So I think this is not working. First we'll make variables. So it got hanged a little bit. So first we'll make variables. So I'll name it as root, and we'll have to type tk. So if we don't make this variable, our program will not function. So then afterwards we have to make canvas variable. So we have to make a canvas, and for that we need to type tk and canvas. So in this canvas, C has to be capital compulsory, or else it will not make us a canvas. And then we have to type root. So if we type root, so it will take the variable root, which has the main function of this code, tkinter.tk function. Then we have to set the width and the height of our canvas. So I'll set it as 300, height as 300. So I have set the canvas. Now we have to just type canvas1.pack function we have to use from the tkinter, and then we have to make our define statement. So we'll define take screenshot first we'll make a variable named as my screen shot is equal to PyAutoGUI dot screenshot. So this variable mainly does that it will take screenshot. So this variable is also very important, or else the code will not take a screenshot. After that we need to make another variable that will contain our save path. So we'll name this variable as save path, and for this we'll save it as save as file name. So it will ask us for which name we have to save this file, and then after that we have to just type save, then save path plus save plus path plus .png, and here underscore to just make it look good, our name. And after that we need to make a button. So for that we'll type it as my button. So we'll make a variable, then we'll use the tk library to save, sorry, to make a button. So in this, button is capital. Then after that we just need to type the text we have to store in it. So we'll type take screenshot. We have to just shift this in this. So we'll type it here again, take screenshot. Then command, we have to set the command. So command will be take screenshot, and there will be no brackets after take screenshot. And then we have to set the font last. I'll set it as 10. Then after that, here underscore is left. So after that we need to set where we have to keep that button. So canvas1 dot create window, then 150, we'll keep it in middle, and we have to make window is equal to my button. So we are done. Now just we need to put the main loop. So we are done with this program, so let's run. So okay, the take screenshot function came. Okay, so we have to put our name, as I'll set it as screenshot1. So it has now been saved. So thank you for watching this video, and hope you understood how to make a screenshot taker in Python. And let's and like, share, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. And let's meet in the next video.